It is March 11th, 2020. This is my daily recap video. Today I took two trades, both losers. First trade was JD. Um, that was a 1 minute opening range breakout. We don't have much on our watch list today, and IQ and JD and Uber and Microsoft are in my kind of like a more permanent watch list. So I flipped over to them, to JD, and I saw this big green candlestick, and then it was the second one was just forming, and I jumped in too fast. I didn't look at the level two, and I didn't notice the real-time price action. It was, for one, the level two showed me that the spread was kind of bigger than I'd like. I think it was like 4 or 5 cents. And then the real-time price action was kind of choppy actually, but because I just jumped in so fast without, you know, uh, noticing all this, I, that wasn't good. So one note is that I noticed that if I tend to analyze a trade for too long, I will either just pass over it, or it'll just end up being not a good trade. It won't be a good analyzation. And so I do best, it seems like, when I see something, I do my quick analyzation within a few seconds, and those tend to be my best trades. But anyways, this one I just got in way too fast. I mean, I was like a second or two, and then, and I got in, like I said, without looking at level two, the spread, and without noticing the price action. So anyways, I got in here, and it did go up a little bit, but then it went down really really quick. And so I got out for being, to be stopped out. So that was a $6 loser. What's irritating, if you notice here, I'm within just a few cents here of the bottom of this candle and wick, and then look what happens. Up and up and up and up and up and up. So this, if I didn't get, if I would have got a little better entry, maybe waited till this pull back to the VWAP, oh man, that would have been the perfect entry. And then it would have been a nice trade here. So I am a little irritated about that. But I don't know. I had a good trade yesterday, and I'm still, oh boy, look at it now. Yeah, okay. I'm a little more irritated now. Um, but it happens, I guess. I just got to be more careful next time, not to get in prematurely. I got to watch the price action and watch that spread. Yeah. Okay. Next trade, Uber. So this one was more. Whenever I have a losing trade to start off with, I tend to jump into a trade that I shouldn't, and they call that revenge trading. So this was kind of a revenge trade. I saw, it seemed like it found support down here. It moved up. It was moving up, well beyond all these lines, these averages and VWAP. It was about to break this, the high of the day. So I got in right here, and it did go up some. It did go up some. But then it, came back down and, stopped me out. And I think it spiked here too really fast. So it stopped me out a little bit further than I should have gotten out, but just with a few cents. So I lost like, $10 on that one. So a few dollars more than I should have, but yeah. And then kind of the same thing happened. Although this one did go a lot, down. It went down to the low of day, but then it went, up some too. So this wouldn't have been a very good trade. I shouldn't even have gotten in this trade. It's not even one of those ones where I got a bad entry or whatever. It's just I shouldn't have even taken this trade. Revenge trade, is again what you call that. So I'm down 16.50 for the day, 4 tickets, so down $20 for the day. But again, I know what I did wrong, and I shouldn't have done it, and I'm a little irritated at that. And the first trade could have been a great, a really nice winner, but at the same time, I do know what I did wrong, and I'm gonna have to just, be more careful on not doing that in the future.